How's it going, everybody? This is Mike, Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'm back again with a new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where every Tuesday I showcase a particular park model tiny home coming in at 399 square feet that we have available right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. And this Tuesday, I'm bringing to you the Barn Owl. Now I'm back again with a all-new episode of Tiny Home Tuesday, where this Tuesday I'm showcasing the Barn Owl. And if you are currently in the market for a 399 square foot tiny home with a loft, then look no further than this right here. This is a all-new floor plan that we here at Recreational Resort Cottages have constructed to come to you and bring the best characteristics in a 399 square foot tiny home. Now, starting on the exterior, you can see that this home boasts plenty of character. It's 12 feet wide, 44 feet in length, including the 10-foot front porch. And it's on sale today for $94K. $94,000, you get everything you see today besides furniture and decorations. And before you run to the comments talking about, Mr. Tiny, lost your mind trying to sell a tiny home for $94K, wait till I show you everything you're going to get. So starting here on the exterior, you can see we have Scandinavian sky as the base color. Also, we have the white post and rail tops going for the home that adds some character, as well as the open gable, no crow's foot, no beam, because we want it to be open and airy for you as well. And as you can see, we have rebar railing on the front porch, and as you come up onto the porch, you can see how much space you actually have on a 10-foot front porch. We have gray Coyote Trex decking. That's a 30-year warranty on that decking, 30-year warranty on the James Hardie siding, and a 30-year warranty on the Galvalume metal roof. So I'm telling you, not only do we offer great aesthetics, but we offer great quality materials that's going to give you great warranties for time and time to come. Now, as you see right here, right up above me, you see that we have the double trap windows up above the front door. We also have two can lights, as well as a wired and brace for ceiling fan in the center of the porch. What's so great about that is obvious space for entertaining. You know we like to entertain. If you like Mr. Tiny, you like people to come over and see what you're working with. So right here, you got plenty to do that. But let's take it inside. If the outside looks like this, you know what Mr. Tiny does. So follow me inside so I can showcase to you why the Barn Owl may be the best home for you right now. And as you come in, again, listen to that. Ooh, it's about a highway, but now we got peace and quiet. It's called quality. It's called quality construction, 2x4s, half-inch sheetrock. That's what you're going to get when you come to Recreational Resort Cottages. But as you come inside, you can see right here in the living area, the great space right here. You have enough space for a couch, sofa, whatever you choose, love seat. But then you have the double windows right here, as well as the double transom windows up above. And then let's get an interior view of the windows right here. What's so great is you have the double French doors right there centered, two slim windows on each side, and then the double trapezoid windows up top. So from the front of this home, if you're trying to get the view, then this one may be the one for you. But also, follow me over here to the opposite side of the living room, and you'll see we keep the natural light coming. If you're subscribed, like you should be, then you know that's how we do it here at Recreational Resort Cottages. We have two windows right here, and then centered, we're gonna have the gray painted shiplap right there to add an accent. We have the Nantucket white entertainment center down below, the fireplace right here, that's electric. It also puts off heat, and it doesn't take much to cool 399 square feet. But then right up above here, we have the one single clear story window to bring in some more natural light. And then centered here, you will see that we have the ceiling fan in a white finish as well as the nickel. So that is a great feature there. But what I love about this home is the openness of space and concept. You can see as we make it here into the kitchen, we have the extended countertop here that offers space for your stool, so that way you have seating when you need to eat your meals and just have some company over. But you know, we're utilizing all the space. Even down here, we have the cabinet right here for additional storage. And then, speaking of storage, threw something in extra for you. I know you out there, Mr. Tiny, I love my little Poochie Poo. Well, Poochie Poo got something for you. We got a place to go right here. We got the pet nook. Now, before you call NSAPCA or whatever they called, you got that. We're gonna take the door off so that way you have a pet nook. But if you do not have a pet, you just want some storage area, we have that as well underneath the stairs. We're just utilizing everything for you. So trying to take it that extra mile. And as you see right here in the kitchen, we have the U-shaped bar. So what's great is we have the lace gesso countertops. We have the Savoy mosaic backsplash. We went ahead and went with the Nantucket white cabinets up top with the black bar pulls, but we took it down low and went with the painted gray cabinets with the black bar pulls. So we're offering a different variety that's going to tie in that Savoy mosaic backsplash all together, as well as the stainless steel one basin farm sink, window up above that, which also, you have right here your convection oven in stainless steel with a smooth top oven right here in stainless steel as well. You can convert to gas, shall you choose to do so, or if you want to bring your own appliances, we omit the appliances for you as well if you want to do a custom order. Those are all your options. And speaking of appliances, you got to have a fridge. So we went with the side-by-side fridge tucked in here so lovely with the ice in the door and additional cabinetry up above. Now don't think, because you've been sitting here and this is your first time watching Recreational Resort Cottages and Mr. Tiny, that this is all the cabinets we're gonna give you. No way. Behind painted gray door number 1, we got the pantry. We have the shelf right there, 3 shelves right there, and then you have additional space down low. What works so great with this is I have a lot of clients say, Mr. Tiny, I need my broom, my Swiffer, I need a space for that to go when I go tiny. You got enough space that you can put those on either side and then have space for additional canned goods and things like that for you to have out of sight, out of mind. Now bring it back here. Oh my goodness, what did we do? You know you watching Mr. Tiny, you know how I do it. Hey, right here we have the custom cabinetry going around your side-by-side washer and dryer. We did not do a stackable in this one. We went with side-by-side washer and dryer. We have the drawers down below. We have the cabinet over here to the side, the pantry cabinet here, as well as cabinets up above. So you have enough space for your detergents, your fabric softeners, your fabric sheets. All that has a space right there. And who? Recreational Resort Cottages in the Barn Owl. You see how I put that together there? If you're paying attention, you better catch up. Now follow me right through here and we'll take it into the bathroom. And listen, you know I wasn't stopping with the built-in washer and dryer area. We got the tub shower combo because when you got a house this nice, hey, you gotta have people over, and a lot of times there's gonna be some kids with you that need to rub a dub in the tub. So we got that feature there for you. It's in a fiberglass finish, so that way you can wipe it down and go on about your business. But those of you that are taller in height, again, I'm 6'1", you can see we elevated this area right here to offer additional space, because keep in mind, there's a loft up above us. So even with the loft, we take that cutout and make it where even with the loft that shortens the height of the ceiling, in the midsection, you have enough space for someone around 6'4", 6'5" to be in here and still be able to get clean. And then right across here, we have the 2-door linen above the toilet. We have the frosted glass window right here behind me. And then of course, we kept the Savoy mosaic backsplash here in the bathroom, as well as the lace gesso countertops. Now, let's take it back to the bedroom, the main space where you want to be. And this is a pocket door separating the area. And as you come in here to the main bedroom, you can see we have a window here off the rear, as well as a window here off the back. So that way you can have plenty of natural light coming in, but notice, look at the ceiling height. No, we got a loft. Where did it go? Hey, we thought about you guys. We listened to your comments. We kept the loft in the center of the home. So those of you that don't want the ceiling lower in your bedroom, you may be claustrophobic. Hey, Mr. Tiny took care of you. So we got the loft area in the center. So in the front of the home is open and airy, and in the rear of the home is open and airy, but you still get the advantages of the loft space for storage as well as sleeping. Now, I showed you the custom cabinets in the washer and dryer area. Let's take it right over here. Who Don't say Mike Jones, you better say Mike Timmons, Mr. Tiny. I'm telling you that. We got it right here at Recreational Resort Cottages. We have 6 drawers down below. We have the double shirt cabinets right here, so you can hang everything up nice and neat. If you got some soups, things like that, you can put that in there. So we got that as well. And then right over here, just because we needed some extra, we got the regular closet with the bifold door. And also, you think, because it's been a few weeks since I did so, you think I forgot real wood shelf and rod. We got that right in there as well. So just because we get it painted white don't mean we didn't do it right. We're trying to cover up anything. This is real wood, front to back, side to side of this home. Even the trim, just because we got it painted white, blended in with the sheetrock, hey, it's hard as a rock because it's southern yellow pine trim in here as well. Don't sleep on us. Follow me this way. And as we take it right back through, look at all this. The custom cabinetry right here in your washer and dryer area, 3-door linen right there, pantry over here for your food, and then we got the space right here for the pet nook. It's great. And then right here, your stairs are gonna lead up to the centralized loft. We went ahead and painted that gray on your rails. We took the rebar from the exterior porch, added that right in here to add some aesthetic contrast. And then also we have the stained open riser stairs right here that are gonna lead up to the loft. So you can follow me right up and I can show you how much space you have in the loft for storage as well as sleeping. And now we are in the loft of the barn owl. And as you can see here, since this loft is centralized in the home, you've got the open space on the front, open space on the back, but right here offers great sleeping space. You can easily put a couple of mattresses up here and have a sleeping space for kids or adults. I've had people put a desk up here, make this their work area. See, sit down, I'm 6'1", you can do it, I'm telling you. You can make it happen. Also bean bags, this can be a game area. This works for a multitude of purposes, but this is a great area because we still keep the natural light coming in with the clear story windows on each side. We went ahead and we have TV jacks on each side of the loft as well, so you can choose where you want the TV to be placed. And then we have the rebar rails right there on the railing there of the loft. But then take a look at how much open space that you have throughout this home. Keep in mind, this is 399 square feet, ladies and gentlemen. Just because you're watching Recreational Resort Cottages, we know what we're doing. We know when we put these floor plans together, we have to make it functional. We have to make it livable for our clients. So you can watch some of these other videos. I ain't gonna talk about nobody, but they got, you know what I'm saying? It looks like a little dog house. We making this look like the real house right here. So I'm telling you guys, with the abundance of natural light that comes in here, the taller ceilings that we add from front to back, you can't beat this. Now keep in mind, the barn owl, this is the new floor plan. We're bringing it to you. This is an exclusive, coming in at 12 feet wide. It's 44 feet in length, and that's including that 10-foot front porch. And again, I'll tell you, it's $94K, $94,000 today. Can't tell you what it's gonna be next week or next year. Keep that in mind, but today is $94K. And you get everything that you see today besides furniture and decorations. So this is an awesome model. If you're in the market right now for a model with the loft and you want something different, something that's brand new, like no other, the barn owl is the one for you. Now, I wanna thank you for tuning in to another Tiny Home Tuesday. Please, if you haven't already, like the video. You know, I'm bringing it to you new and fresh every week. So at least you can do is give me a like, you know what I'm saying? Also hit the notification bell so that way you're notified every week when I upload a new video, whether it's a 399 square foot tiny home or one of our larger cottages. Either way, we make them with the quality that you see here in this home today. So do that as well. Also leave a comment. Let me know what your favorite part of the barn owl was, what your favorite section was. Was it the front porch with the open gable? Was it the windows that we brought in this home? Is it the central loft? Is it the pet nook, U-shaped kitchen, pantry, wash and dry area? The list, I would be here all day if I had to do this again, because we added so many features to this home to make it functional for you. And also, if you're interested, you can contact me directly right over at my Instagram. Run over to Instagram at the Mr. Tiny and give me a follow at TheMrTiny. And you can connect with I anytime. I'm selling the barn owl as well as hundreds of other models directly off my Instagram. And you can contact me day or night and I'll make sure that price is right. Until next time, I want to thank you for tuning in to another Tiny Home Tuesday with me, Mike Mr. Tiny Timmons, and I'll see you next Tiny Home Tuesday.